नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्मार्ट माइंड्स ट्यूटोरियल्स में आपका स्वागत है। आइए आज कुछ नया सीखें।
So let us continue with binomial theorem concepts. This is especially for MCET or JEE level. So here you can see x plus a whole power n can be written as nc naught x power n a power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1. So here as we are moving forward, we are decreasing the powers of x and we are increasing the powers of a, plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus so on ncr x power n minus r a power r plus so on up to ncn x power 0 a power n. So this is called general term. So TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. This is the general term. Whichever term you need to find out, like 5th term, 6th term, 7th term, 15th term, whichever term you need to find out, we will use this formula, where n is a positive integer, x and a are real numbers. Now let me give you some important points here. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than or equal to n, is known as general term. Of binomial expansion. Next point, general term of x minus a whole power n is TR plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power n NCR x power n minus r a power r. A plus b plus c whole power n is equal to sigma 0 less than or equal to p comma q comma r less than or equal to n, and p plus q plus r is equal to n. So n factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial into a power p, b power q, c power r. What is this expansion called as? This is called as trinomial expansion. Binomial means where you have two elements. Trinomial is where you have three elements. Okay. In trinomial expansion, the number of terms are trinomial means within the bracket if you have three elements like a plus b plus c whole power n, you have three numbers or three elements. In that case, you call it as trinomial expansion. So how to find out the number of terms for a trinomial expansion? The formula is n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. Now suppose if you want to find middle term or middle terms of x plus a whole power n is Tn plus 1 by 2 or Tn by 2 plus 1 is Nc n by 2 x power n by 2, a power n by 2. This is the formula if n is even. And if n is odd, you get two terms. Tn plus 1 by 2 and Tn plus 3 by 2. So Tn plus 1 by 2 formula is Ncn minus 1 by 2 x power n plus 1 by 2 a power n minus 1 by 2. And here in this case, Ncn plus 1 by 2 x power n minus 1 by 2 a power n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula if n is odd. So if n is odd, you get two middle terms. If n is even, you get only one middle term. Next. The binomial coefficients NC0, NC1, so on up to NCn are also denoted as C0, C1, so on up to Cn. Now Cr is equal to Cn minus R. See, there are some standard results which I am giving you, which we will be directly using in the form in the problems. So C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus so on up to Cn is 2 power n. C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus so on up to Cn is 2 power n minus 1 if n is even. C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus so on up to Cn is 2 power n minus 1 if n is odd. Next, A into C0 plus A plus D into C1, where D is the common difference, plus A plus 2D into C2 plus so on up to A plus ND into Cn is equal to 2A plus ND into 2 power n minus 1. Next, C1 plus 2 into C2 plus 3 into C3 plus so on up to n into Cn is equal to n into 2 power n minus 1. Next, 2 into 1 into C2 plus 3 into 2 into C3 plus 4 into 3 into C4 plus so on up to n into n minus 1 into Cn is equal to n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. Then 1 square C1 plus 2 square C2 plus 3 square C3 plus so on up to n square Cn is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. C0 plus 3C1 plus 3 square C2 plus so on up to 3 power n Cn is equal to 4 power n. C1 by C0 plus 2 into C2 by C1 plus 3 into C3 by C2 plus so on up to n into Cn by Cn minus 1 equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. C naught CR plus C1 CR plus 1 plus C2 CR plus 2 plus so on up to Cn minus R Cn is equal to 2n Cn plus R. Next, C naught square plus C1 square plus C2 square plus so on up to Cn square is 2n Cn. Next, C naught C1 plus C1 C2 plus so on up to Cn minus 1 Cn is equal to 2n Cn plus 1. Next, C naught plus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 plus so on up to Cn by n plus 1 is equal to 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Next, C naught square minus C1 square plus C2 square minus C3 square plus so on up to minus 1 whole power n Cn square is equal to minus 1 whole power n by 2 into n Cn by 2. If n is even and its value is 0 if n is odd. Now we will see binomial theorem for rational index.
Can I once copy formulas?
Now let us cover binomial theorem for rational index. If x is a real number such that mod x is less than 1 and p comma q are positive integers, then number 1 plus x whole power p by q is equal to 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus so on up to p into p minus q so on up to p minus r minus 1 into q by r factorial into x by q whole power r plus so on up to infinity. Then number 2, 1 minus x whole power p by q. The same formula but with alternate plus minus sign. So 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p minus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square minus so on up to minus 1 whole power r p into p minus q so on up to p minus of r minus 1 into q by r factorial into x by q whole power r plus so on up to infinity. Now number 3, 1 plus x whole power minus p by q is 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus so on up to -1 whole power r p into p plus q, so on up to p plus r minus 1 into q by r factorial into x by q whole power r, plus so on up to infinity. Next, number 4, 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. That is 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus so on up to p into p plus q into so on up to p plus r minus 1 into q by r factorial into x by q whole power r plus so on up to infinity. Now, if n is a positive integer, and x is a real number, such that mod x is less than 1, then number 1, 1 plus x, 1 plus x whole power n, whole power minus n is 1 minus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus so on up to minus 1 whole power r n into n plus 1 into so on up to n minus n plus r minus 1 by r factorial into x power r plus so on up to infinity. Then number 2, 1 minus x whole power minus n. Here in the first formula, you got alternate plus minus signs. Here you will get all positive. So 1 plus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into n plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus so on up to n into n plus 1, so on up to n plus r minus 1 by r factorial into x power r plus so on up to infinity.